How to log into Gateway Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over here, type in Gateway Mortgage account and then search for it. With that, a fun website links will appear. Navigate to this fun website option. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email address. Then, type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check it for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In, and with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of New User Registration and go through the account creation process. So this way you can easily log into Gateway Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.